Today we are starting protoplasm and cytoplasm. The living substance of the cell bounded by the plasma membrane is called protoplasm. Okay, so the living part of the cell means the living part of each and every living cell is protoplasm, which is a jelly-like substance and semi-fluid in state. It consists of two parts, cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Various cell organelles and inclusions remain suspended in it. Protoplasm includes all the components of the cell except the cell wall and contents of the vacuole. Now cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a part of the cell inside the cell membrane and outside of the nucleus. Nucleus is present inside of the cell only, but it is also having a separate membrane. So cytoplasm is the part of the cell inside the cell membrane and outside of the nucleus. Now, it is a semi-liquid substance. Many chemical reactions catalyzed by enzymes occurs in it. Means a number of enzymes are present in the cytoplasm which acts as a catalyst in case of some reactions. It contains several organelles. You know this one, that the some specific structures with the specific functions. Okay, they are suspended throughout the cell, and which is there in the cytoplasm only. They are called the cell organelles. The part of cytoplasm other than the organelles is called cytosol. So inside of the cytoplasm, two parts are there. One is the cell organelles which are suspended throughout the cytoplasm. They are having their specific structure and function, and apart from that, cytosol is there, which mainly constitutes the liquid medium.